Hey guys, Matt here, and today I'm actually going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a time-lapse video of the LEGO 60016 tanker truck. And this is the first time-lapse I've done in a while, so I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, and that is the conclusion of the time-lapse video. As you can see, this is the completed tanker truck. We built both the truck, the fuel pump, which looks really cool. It's got the little sort of numeric pad on it, and the minifigure. I had a really good time building this, and I highly recommend it to anybody who really likes the city lines. This was a fun set. Not too challenging. I mean, they could do a little bit more to make it more difficult, but other than that, I really enjoyed it. So, until next time, take care, guys.